¿Cómo veía lo que va a pasar?
Ya sabemos todo lo que va a pasar, ya sabemos.
I want a challenge. Give him one car in the hit.
A la verga.
¡Ah! Se volteó aquel baboso, güey.
No mames, güey, se encerró.
Hey guys, so Omar came in here calling me out again.
Ah, no, I'm getting sis. No.
What?
Not that, cause they be thinking I'm fucking doing all that.
Didn't you say you wanted to race me? I'll give you a bridge and the hit with the Lambo.
No, I didn't come and call you out. Don't say that to the people. I'm already.
Are you gonna race or you gonna fuck around?
I didn't call nobody out. You wanted to do it.
I know, I told you over there that I'll give you a whole bridge and the hit versus the Lambo. And now you're backing down. Are you gonna race or you're not gonna race? I'm gonna give you the whole bridge. That shit's like fucking a mile long. You gonna do it or you gonna?
Yeah, whatever.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go to the jail. ¿Por qué estás tan lejos, pues?
Porque ya tengo una Zoom.
¿Cómo veía lo que va a pasar?
Ya sabemos todo lo que va a pasar, ya sabemos.
Puede pasar todo, viejo.
No.
¿Qué va a pasar?
El Lambo está bien bravo, güey. Lo vas a pasar como si nada, hombre. Como mantequilla en un cuchillo con mantequilla, así. Y
Yeah.
el cuchillo caliente.
It's a bridge length. That shit's a long fucking way. Omar, you could be the champion of
Fuck
champions.
off with the bullshit.
You could. Imagine if Omar beats the Lambo, he's gonna be the first person to ever beat that car.
Put it on 2-wheel drive. I know it has 4-wheel drive. Put it on 2-wheel drive.
No can do. So what? ¿Va a ir a flaguear ya o no? ¿O va a culear?
¿Ya?
¿Va a ir a flaguear?
Sí, pues nada, para los tacos, dijiste, vamos.
Los tacos no se los pago.
Feel bad.
Let's go. Let's go.
Maybe el peso me ayuda.
¿Cuánto le vas a echar?
$20.
Y 85 just put regular gas.
85 is cheaper and better.
It burns faster too.
So,
So you waste more.
Technically, I'm getting like 7 gallons.
Where do you want to be at so you could feel like it's the first race against the Lambo?
Bro, it's not gonna be a fair race.
You want to
at
be
all.
halfway down the track?
Bro, it's not gonna get.
I want a challenge.
Challenge. Alright. Give me a bridge. Give me another bridge.
No,
And be right in front of the finish line.
¿Cómo es?
What about two cars extra?
It doesn't even matter.
Nunca sabes, güey. You catch traction.
Okay, winner. I don't know what the winner gets. Loser gets to ride along in the Lambo after. I haven't rode in it. So I haven't.
All right. Look, loser washes the other person's car. You already got soap. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Vámonos.
The battle of the ultimate DC.
Look like they're on vacation. They look like they're straight up in vacation in the Bahamas.
¿Oílo?
Andamos lacoseando.
Vale, ¿y este carro, vale?
Allá se va bajando.
¿Andan dolidos o qué?
Anda bien chiflado Daniel. Hasta parece que es un carro de él.
¿El carro nuevo de Daniel?
¿Sabes qué? Estoy pensando una carrera. Omar,
Este güey trae un motor.
1 versus 1. One race from a dig. And then I'll gap you with the bridge.
Que le dé un carro. A ketchup, yeah.
It's a 4-door sedan.
Carnegie.
It's a 4-door sedan, güey.
Omar,
Carnegie.
Watch out, viene un car.
come over here for the negotiation.
Mira, güey, te está hablando los Mustangs, güey.
Mira, it's like it was meant to be.
Yeah. When I saw it, I said, my brilliance, my brain. Give him one car in the hit, and and then we'll do the race. We want to see what Ketchup's cars got. This is brand new ride.
It's a fast ass car if you tune it. I've seen the potential on these. They're nice.
Look, it's fully stocked.
Oh, I know.
4-door, You better not lose.
Come on, Ketchup.
What lane you want, my boy?
We're gonna let Ketchup come in. This is ride. Pride and joy.
Oh, sí, le voy a poner la remember. Hey, in the back, so if you lose, it's really bad.
Hey, what lane you want?
De este lado.
Middle line, dice.
Se va a hacer la primera carrera.
A ver.
Cacho, Miria.
Y se asegura que tenga
Five.
0.5. Ya, sí. Y que grabe.
Güey, Cacho, yo sé, güey. No tienes que decir, calmado. Más pierde, cabrón, para que veas tu agarra pura nalgadas.
Yo creo que va a perder.
No mames, que.
Pinche Daniel, güey.
Se escucha bien perro, viejo.
Sí,
Nunca lo había escuchado así de.
¿No? No, hombre, cállate.
Se escucha bien bastardo, güey.
Cuando le aplanas a esa madre del two-step o anti-lag, lo que sea, se oye.
Damn it, boy, guys, I never heard my car like
como
that.
cuando pasas un lado de uno hecho madre, soy como si fuera un latigazo.
Ya, se ve bien bonito que está. Se mira y se oye. Pero como quiera, sí ya lo quiero ver con Guacala. ¿Qué pasó con Guacala?
No sé, le manden un saludo a Guacala.
Compadre Guacala,
Ready?
estamos esperando la carrera, compadre. Pues no, que sí, que no. Ya, está listo el pinche torito.
El Toretto.
Arrímese.
Ketchup, you think you got this race, my boy?
I think so.
Damn,
A car in the
if you
head.
beat Omar, güey.
A car in the head, right?
You beat him. It's like you beat Toretto.
Te voy a dar mi
So, ¿cómo va a estar ahí?
Ya cuando
Ya le va a hacer así y cuando tú arranques, entonces te puedes arrancar.
Te voy a dar mi start, ¿listo? Ok, y luego, ¿listo? Ok, voy a bajar mis manos. Ya tú decides
Ya,
a
yo
qué
lo
horas. Tú decides a qué horas. Mira, te bajas las manos de voladita le das, porque todos esperan a que te esperes un segundo, dos y luego. No, cuando bajes las manos, ¡pum! Tony, las máscaras pagando.
Ya está.
They're gonna run for the nitrous bottle. If Ketchup wins, he gets the nitrous bottle as a gift.
Dang. Omar's being generous.
Alright guys, so Ketchup's getting a car in the hit and Omar, so you know how that works, right? Jared's gonna be like ready, and then he's gonna go like that. When Ketchup,
Wait, what am I giving you?
the car in the hit. So what, Jared's gonna go like this, don't go until Ketchup takes off, okay?
Until ketchup moves, that's...
Alright, come on. Lo chingó.
Ay, cabrón, pinche Omar.
hasta las pinches luces le prendí.
Le ganó hasta la salida el pinche Cacho. Se durmió que él no esperaba que fuera a salir tan rápido.
Hey, el carro de Ketchup es rear wheel drive.
Güey,
Sí, es.
se pescó con madre, güey.
Se fue hecho madre. Hey,
Se me hace
hasta
que-
heads up esa
sí,
carrera
es lo
lo
que está-
empina.
ya, Se me hace que hasta parejos andan.
¿Una más?
No mames, ya, olvídense de la carrera con el auto.
Vámonos, ya caliente. Ese es Juana. Ese video va a estar bueno.
Ketchup chingó a Omar y trae 4 cilindros stock.
Ay, no.
Y no le ganó, lo gapeó.
Y le
dio un
prendieron
tren.
las luces.
Las pinches hazards turned on.
Oye, está desgraciado Ketchup, güey. Si le corres a Ketchup, you better watch out, because he's turning my hazards on a quick, boy.
¿Quién
Y
diría?
saw the gap. De volada, güey.
Ketchup dice, nada, no me va a cachar. Con el AC prendido.
Heads up right now. Huh? On 3. Yeah. Ready?
fuck are you doing, Omar? Fuck! That shit was fucking scary, bitch!
I know how to drive. Well, my tires popped.
No mames, güey, a ver, te llevaste a mí también, cabrón. Fuck, Omar, that was fucking dumb.
Hey, Ketchup fucking... I was waiting for Ketchup to give me the turn, bro.
The good thing is that nothing happened.
Mira, ya ni regresaron a la verga.
A la verga. Se volteó aquel baboso, güey.
Casi le pega al pinche Lambo, güey. No mames, güey, se ensartó a la verga.
No, pero pinche Dani se debe haber cagado. Se miró que le iba a pegar.
Sí, güey, se miró que casi le pegó.
¡Súbelo!
A la verga, güey, eso puro.
¿Qué pasó, güey?
Pues este vato.
He was trying to do a donut or what?
No, because we were racing on the way back.
No mames, güey.
Why the fuck were you racing on the way back?
Because I told him heads up, and dijo que sí. And we did it, but
Párate.
nobody was letting off.
No mames, güey.
Ay, cabrón.
No mames,
Why did you give me
Ketchup.
the face? What do you mean?
That shit was scary, güey.
No mames, Omar.
Oh my, you almost hit my car. What the fuck are you doing?
You almost hit me.
Why didn't you slow down? You should have let off.
Bro, even if I wanted to slow down, you were still on, I couldn't go to your side.
Dude, we have a whole row for y'all to
I
race.
couldn't fuck.
Oh, man.
It was his idea.
That shit was
¿Tú lo grabaste, güey?
Sí, güey, pero corrí para allá. La troca se me vino a mí.
No mames, güey.
I saw him.
Guys, look how close he is to my car. Look how close that is.
Imagínate. Oh, lo grabé en GoPro.
Look, you know what? I saw you move over here,
Oh,
wait.
well, I'm glad you're okay with, but no mames, güey.
No, I knew how to fucking, as soon as I felt it, I was like, oh shit, hell no. Let me
Un
see.
pinche pedote,
Why
güey.
the fuck are
I
you?
didn't know. I was like,
Did you record it? Did you record that?
that shit was. I'm still shaking.
Did you
I was like,
Did
I was
you
right
record
here.
Yeah.
No mames, Omar.
Mira, güey, yo estaba aquí. Aquí estaba.
¿Le pegó ahí?
No, lo bueno que no le pegó
No
ahí.
mames, ahí fuera mandado todo el pinche troca a la verga.
I would have been fucked. I know how to drive. That's not the first time that I ever lose control like that.
But how did you lose control? Why?
It's cause we were already going fast, right? And then I was waiting for Ketchup to back out, and then I couldn't.
Why
really
would he
see him.
back out if he's faster than
Because-
yours?
Yeah.
What are you
No,
talking
no, like,
about?
He's faster, he beat you.
He didn't
right?
beat me.
Yeah, that was a gap.
You gapped him, right?
It was a big gap.
Oh, we're talking about the one coming in.
No,
It was
the one
your
that mattered,
idea.
the one that mattered was the one from over here.
Well, I mean, my shit was spinning.
Mira, güey, mira, ven. Pedote, güey, pero pedote.
Dale para
a la
atrás, dale,
verga.
reversa.
Mira, güey, mira.
Mira ya.
No sabía por dónde hacerme, güey. Mira, what the fuck?
Guys, Omar is a sketchy motherfucker.
Just when you thought this one was gonna pop, the front one popped.
Hey, wait. Guys, look how close. Aquí entró. He reversed right in here. Right here like this. He went right in there. Omar, what the fuck are you doing,
I don't
man?
get it though.
Se miraba bien feo, güey, porque.
No, aquí no
corría
pegó.
para allá,
Ah,
ahí va
chingada.
Ketchup, güey. Y se
Oh.
me. Estuve a punto de decir que
It's cause, mira, so this is what happened.
Ay, cabrón, cálmate, Spider-Man.
Iba a brincar la troca, güey, arriba.
Mira, this is what happened. Es lo que está pasando. So we gunned it. I was already getting Ketchup, and I already knew I won, but he was still on my bumper.
Uy, ya estás
And I was
hasta
still,
temblando, míralo.
I was, but he was still on my
I was
bumper.
shaking.
And then I saw the car.
I know.
I saw the car, and then I was like trying to get into it because I knew if I hit the brakes real hard, I was gonna do this. So I tried to he started going down, and as soon as it was too late, I just.
I saw Omar spin and say, oh, he's doing victory
Y
donuts.
cuando volteamos para acá, güey.
Miramos la troca para allá.
Hey, pero tú no quisiste hacerle así, because I saw you move.
I didn't want to go in your lane because I was gonna hit you.
Because I saw you move this way. and I
Omar,
was
you
like,
know
oh,
how
this guy's
hard it
gonna
would have been if you would have hit that?
That was God.
Yeah, that was God right there, wait. Guys,
God.
here's literally where he came in, right here, and that's just God that he's faked him, because if he would have hit that, this truck would have been completely total.
Video, he almost flipped the truck.
I
Hey.
always go to church.
¿Cómo
That
veías
was
tú cuando
God.
venía el carro?
Lord Jesus, thank you.
¿Cómo, güey?
Sí,
Literally,
o me
así
atropella,
estaba.
dije, o me atropella Ketchup o me lleva Omar.
Qué de volada, este, güey.
No, yo pensé que venía y dije, oh, Omar se paró a hacer donas aquí para que grabara a Dani. Y ya cuando me miré que se salió muy lejos, dije, no, este ya se fue.
Levantó un polvadero de la verga.
Sí.
Yo pensé que este güey le iba a soltar porque
Güey, si te
obvio.
acercas mucho para
Wait, no
acá,
iba a
frena.
soltar, but I
Ya
was
los miraba
like,
que venían aquí
stop.
hecho madres. Ya.
Déjame, pues.
Yo miré que la troca este güey
Pinche debemos de estar riendo
Te
ya,
voy a
pero.
decir gracias a Dios
Yo
que
estaba
todo se
bien
fue
cagado.
bien.
Al principio yo estaba bien
Nadie es
cagado.
perfecto en este
Yo
mundo.
la miré que
Qué
venía
bueno
así.
Ahí viene la policía.
A la
Y
verga.
qué bueno, Dios me salvó. Y más hay unas cosas así.
Omar, say,
¿Qué pasó?
reverse.
Porque era,
Reverse.
Cocho venía aquí.
Thank God Danny's okay, because he was the one that was gonna, like,
Get the hit.
get the hit. Omar was inside the truck. Thank God Omar's okay.
Thank God he knows how to drive.
And, well, if you knew how to drive that shit,
I mean, I didn't hit your Lambo and I missed that bump that was down there. So
I don't think you had any type of control.
I did have control.
Nah.
We're gonna see it on the GoPro.
Estaba volteada.
Lo vamos a ver en el GoPro.
We're gonna,
I actually want to see it.
we're gonna see if he had. Okay, but thank God que también no le pegaron al Lambo. Guys, look where Omar left the pavement and where the Lambo is. It's literally 10 feet.
Le hubiera soltado el güey porque no le
Ya,
Sí,
güey, ¿por qué
güey.
no paraste? You
Güey,
knew I got
no, pero
you.
pues le fuera soltado tú. Tú vienes acá de este lado, güey.
¿De qué lado venías tú?
Quería este lado,
Güey, pues ¿cómo le vas a soltar el 100 de su
pero
línea,
Mira,
güey?
güey, pues le podía dar, güey, and I would have got to the side.
Dijo que
¿Por
por
qué
qué.
no le frenaste tú?
Mira, ya para de cagarme todos, cabrones. Ya, échale la culpa a este
Espérate,
cabrón que no
no,
dejó.
Put it over a little bit. Put it in the grass.
I'm tired of putting it in the grass.
Le hubieras gritado, hey, you can't park there.
Hey,
Ya no mames,
Put it
Omar, no
over.
mames.
oh, bring it on this side. Bring it on this side. Well, yeah, guys. So that's what happened. At least Omar knew how to control the truck and put it exactly where he wanted
He
it.
parked it in the grass.
He parked it in the grass. And now
Quería sacar del camino.
Si hubiera estado un pinche guardrail, si hubiera estado un guardrail como allá, te hubiera pasado lo mismo.
guys, don't raise ketchup. He'll run you out the road, boy.
I'm gonna win one way or another.
Ay,
Listen.
güey.
Who won the first race, which is the important one?
That was a close one.
Who won though?
Not a close one.
The first race.
Oh, yeah, I was spinning.
No, hey, we said no excuses.
It's not an excuse. it's
Este güey
what's
patinó
going on.
también, güey.
Oh yeah, my car was spinning, güey.
We heard.
All that
You know
torque.
what? You know what? You got it. You got it. No excuses.
400 pounds of torque to the rear wheel tires.
Is that a V6 or 460?
V6.
V6 gang, boy. V6
De lo que te
gang.
digo,
I
V6.
told you, leave that V6 back in the truck. Put that whole back.
Fue la gapeada, por favor.
No mames, ¿sí?
Sí, la primera. Pinche gapeadota.
¿Te gapeó tanto así, güey?
It was bad.
blanco,
Oh,
a
Daniel.
ver.
¿Cómo toda la gapeada?
No, sí fue grande.
I was spinning so hard that I couldn't even like get to you.
Ya ni te ve.
Ok, guys, pues ya llegó el compa Vargas con toda la herramienta precisa. ¿Cómo ves, vale?
Por un pelo de rana cargas, güey.
Esto es Extreme Sports. Alright guys, so we out right Tor Street. Today was sketchy, but we realized that there's more problems on Omar's truck that we gotta fix. We gotta get them right. ¡Patínale! Cero midation.
Hasta la vista, amigo.